Hello everybody, thank you for coming to the video. Today we're talking about a resource that we're going to use in class a lot this year. I really like it, so it'll be very helpful in understanding how government works and a lot of other things. It's called iCivics, so what you're going to do is look it up on Google. Just Google iCivics, and it's this first one that shows up right here. iCivics, you could read over here, it's a nonprofit organization that the US provides in order to educate all of you. And it's a really awesome site, so let's take a look. Click on that first one right there that you saw. You could do a few different things on here. We're going to do the big play. We're just going to play games on here. The teach is for me mostly. And the family is for your family too, if they want to. If you're like, oh, this is awesome, go tell your parents, and it'll be super cool to play that at home and get an understanding. But we're going to mostly play the games. So I do encourage you to go onto the website here and make an account. That way you can start earning points and kind of start developing your profile a little bit, and it's super fun to get into it. So let's take a look at this. I'm going to click on the play right here, the People's Pie. These are just different games that we can play. So the People's Pie is from taxing to spending. You can create and balance the budget of the whole country. It's a lot harder than you think, and that game is actually really hard, but it's a great way of seeing just how they budget in the US. And then you can step into the Situation Room and take on the role of the president and see how you would handle all these situations that you're given. He'll say, oh, I want this. She'll say, I want this. And you have to decide. And it really lets you know how hard the presidency job actually is. And it gives you an idea of what they do on a daily basis. So do you have a right, run a law firm, and test your knowledge? These are just examples I'm just going through. And then there's a whole bunch of different things that we could do. Branches of power, argument wars, cast your vote. And all these situations, they usually take about 15 to 30 minutes. But they're fun games to play. So I can show you an example here. We're going to go to the People's Pie and play that one. You're just going to click on that and then load it. It's going to ask you if you want to set up an account. And I'm just going to go past that right now just to show you guys. I'm going to say no thanks, but you could log in or register. It's free, so no problem. And then once this loads, there is an option for Spanish. So if you're more fluent in that language, it'd be a lot easier for you in that. Go ahead and switch that over to that. And when you do have your own account, you can resume your game as well. But right now I'm just showing you what it looks like. If we do a new game, load, and then it'll start giving us situations to figure out.
Welcome. Our government collects taxes.
It'll tell us initially how much we want to tax: corporate tax, payroll tax, income tax, and then set a retirement age, and that'll all dictate how much money the Social Security gets. And this is just an example of one of the games that we could play. I'm going to go exit out of this, and we are going to go back to the play tab, and we can go up to all games. And so we'll play that when we talk about budget, and we'll talk about how they budget for the discretionary funds, and we'll use that game to understand that. And then when we talk about government as a whole, we can talk about branches of power and use this game. And then throughout the semester, we're just going to use some different games that will go along with each subject. We're not gonna be on here a whole lot, but they'll go with a few units that we're gonna do, and it's a little bit of fun, and it's super engaging, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. If you have any questions, let me know. But this site is pretty straightforward, and you guys are young and hip and know how to do the technology. So let me know if you have any problems, and we will soon start this as a assignment. And I hope you guys have fun. Thanks so much.